Hey guys, it's Ron here at Tail Scales. We got another delivery of animals. So let's take a look and see what we got. It's a pretty good size order. So first up, we got a Colombian red-tailed boa. Next up, we have a female Mexican black king snake. We got a green Pac-Man frog. We got an albino Pac-Man frog. We got a striped devil scorpion. We got a female veiled chameleon. See, there's air holes, guys. Air holes. They can all breathe. All right, we got in some baby red ear sliders. We got in some red belly cooters. If you guys notice, you can kind of see their bellies turn red and pink as they get older. All right, next up we got some baby sulcata tortoises. We have the little brown Anoles. These are the feeder lizards. We got in a black African house snake. It's basically the poor man's version of the Mexican black. We got in a cave claw scorpion. There were some people asking for some of the bigger black ones, so we got that one in. We got a pink toe tarantula from Guyana. We got in something slightly different. These are veiled chameleons, but these are piebalds. So you can see they're missing the color on their legs and on their face. So think of a piebald python, but in chameleon form. So that's pretty cool. We got some more sulcata tortoises. This one is really cool. This is an envelope Panther Chameleon. Look at the color on this one. And he's still young, so he hasn't gotten all his colors in yet. And this is a male. Really pretty. Get back in there, buddy. All right, we got some green iguanas in here. I'm not going to open them up. This is an Iranian Jaya jungle carpet python. I don't know. Hopefully you can see it. I don't really want to take it out of the bag right now. And then this pretty one is an emerald tree boa. Really nice and pretty. It's gonna look gorgeous in here. Look even better in your house. So that's what we got in. If you can, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys soon.